Solve this system by elimination. We want the x terms to cancel when we add the equations. The x coefficients are 5 and 2. Their least common multiple is 10. Use -2 on row 1 and 5 on row 2. That gives -10x and positive 10x. Multiply every term in the first equation by -2. Multiply the x term by the same factor. Now multiply the y term by that factor. Finally, multiply the right side too. Multiply every term in the second equation by 5. Multiply the x term by the same factor. Now multiply the y term by that factor. Finally, multiply the right side too. Add the aligned equations. The opposite x terms cancel. The x terms cancel. The y terms combine to 17y, and the right sides combine to -34. Divide both sides by 17. That leaves y equals -2. Use y equals -2 in the first original equation. Replace y with -2. The remaining x term equals 15. Divide both sides by 5. X equals 3. The solution is x equals 3 and y equals -2. It makes both original equations true.